Now, there's an interesting story with Mazagon Dock, and I know this because I've had a conversation with Ramesh Damani about it. And he spoke about how when he was sitting in his office, he could see the dock from his window. And when the IPO came out, he looked at the assets and he said that it has to be a buy. Now, it seems like Vivek had a similar thought process, though since he's sitting in New Delhi, I doubt that he could see the dock. Vivek, you bought at levels of 140. Help me understand what the thinking is or was when you bought it.
Yeah, good morning, Alex. Actually, when I buy this, they had a lot of cash reserve. They had a next 5 years order book. Yeah. And the margins of the business was very good. Yes. They had a client. So that was the whole idea about it.
Mm. And did you buy all at once or did you acquire over a period of time?
Yeah, I buy it all at once.
Okay.
And the stock didn't perform when I buy it. Stock didn't perform for 9-10 months. Mm. It was range bound and suddenly it spiked from there.
Yeah. And so I'm just wondering, is this a considerable portion of your portfolio? Because look, ultimately in a stock portfolio of 3 stocks are multi-baggers, that's all you need. But is this a big portion of your portfolio?
No, it is not a big portion. It is around 5% of my portfolio.
Congratulations, sir. So therefore, what you're trying to ask is whether you should take some money off the table right now. Is that right?
See, government is promoting a lot on shipbuilding and all these things. And seeing the geopolitical situation, I think that I should hold it till 2029 and again review it according to the policies and all that. So I just don't want to book the profits and shift to something else when this stock can further perform. So this is my outlook about it.
So what do you want me to...
I just want your views on it.
Okay, I got your question. So Asta, then the question is for you, because he's sitting on gains of 1.4 crore. You heard about when he bought it, levels of 140. Most investors have never seen this level, right? Because they've looked at Mazagon much later when it started making headlines. So he wants to hold to 2029. Should he do that?
So this company, it was established way back in 1934, first of all, and they have a capacity of 805 vessels, 11 submarines, etc. Now, what is more fascinating about this company is their entry into the aviation sector. Now, they have started taking the contract for helicopter repairs as well. So apart from this, I mean, they are building dry dock, etc. And their entry into the aviation sector is also looking very, very, strong to us. So my idea here is to stay invested in this counter. I think if there is no hurry to book the profit, then remain invested in this counter because we are seeing much more potential to be here, and hence we are recommending a hold on this counter. Initial price target can be set at around 3,900 odd levels.
All right, we had one more query on our